Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How's your life? Okay, it sounds great. I'm good, thank you. Okay, so today we are going to learn civics or PKN, Theme 6, Theme 1. Hari ini kita akan belajar PKN, tema 6, subtema 1. Okay, so for ICP and bilingual, open page 6 up to 9 ya, disiapkan halaman 6 sampai dengan halaman 9. Okay, so our activities are first, read the text ya, kita akan membaca teks bersama-sama. And then the second activity, how to keep a house clean. Jadi bagaimana sih cara menjaga kebersihan rumah. And then the third activity is observe and find. Ya, kita akan mengamati gambar dan menemukan apa sih yang ada di dalam gambar. And then the last activity is answer. Kita akan menjawab pertanyaan. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. The first activity is read the text atau membaca teks. Okay, so for ICP and bilingual, open page 6. Dibuka halaman 6. Okay, so here the rules of keeping the house clean. Aturan menjaga kebersihan rumah. Letty lives with her brother, father, and mother. Letty tinggal bersama kakak laki-lakinya, ayah, dan ibu. Letty's house is clean and tidy. Rumah Letty bersih dan rapi. Letty's house is also healthy. Rumah Letty juga sehat. Every day, Letty, her brother, father, and mother always keep the house clean and tidy. Setiap hari, Letty, kakak, ayah, dan ibu selalu menjaga kebersihan dan kerapian rumah. There are rules to keep their house clean. Ada peraturan untuk menjaga kebersihan rumah mereka. Every family member must obey the rules. Setiap anggota keluarga harus mematuhi peraturan. Okay, now the second activity, how to keep the house clean. Bagaimana sih cara menjaga kebersihan rumah? Okay, now let's see this picture, everyone. Nah, this is how to keep the house clean. The first picture ya, ada yang mengelap jendela atau kaca, and then clean the bathtub ya, membersihkan bak kamar mandi, and then mop the floor, ada yang mengepel lantai, and also ada yang mengepel lantai ya, and also clean the ceilings ya, ada yang membersihkan langit-langit. Nah, this is just the example. Ini hanya contoh saja bagaimana cara menjaga kebersihan rumah. Okay, now the third activity, everyone. Observe and find. Amati dan temukan. So, for ICP and bilingual, open page 7. Okay, so everyone, listen to me. Take the rules of keeping the house clean. Beri tanda centang pada peraturan untuk menjaga kebersihan rumah. Okay, so here Miss Farah have many pictures ya, banyak sekali Miss Farah menyediakan gambar di sini. Okay, look at the picture carefully. Coba perhatikan dengan seksama dengan teliti. Which one is the example of keeping the house clean? Nah, yang mana saja peraturan untuk menjaga kebersihan rumah? Tick it ya, kalian beri tanda centang. Okay, now here, how to keep your house clean. Bagaimana sih cara menjaga kebersihan rumah kalian sendiri? Okay, of course everyone has house, right? Semuanya pasti tinggal di rumah. Everyone lives at home, ya. Okay, now Find the rules at your home. Coba temukan aturan yang ada di rumah kalian. You may ask your mom, your dad, or your brother, or your sister. Boleh tanya ke orang tua atau keluarga yang ada di rumah kalian, ya. You may discuss it with your family. Or if you have your answer, kalau punya jawaban sendiri, boleh write down in number 1, 2, and 3. Ya. Okay, so for ICP, write in English, and for bilingual, write in bahasa, ya. Okay, so everyone, let's go to the next activity. Answer the questions. Mari menjawab pertanyaan. Okay, so for ICP and bilingual, open page 9. Okay, observe and answer. Amati dan jawablah. Okay, so here, Miss Farah has 2 pictures, house A and house B. Do you see the difference? Okay, pastinya ada perbedaan. Let's see. Okay, now house A and house B. The characteristic-nya. Coba cari ciri-ciri dari masing-masing rumah. If you see this characteristic, ya kalau misalnya kalian menemukan ciri-ciri yang sama pada rumah A atau rumah B, tick it. Kalian beri tanda centang. For example, clean, bersih. Do you think it's house A or house B? Ya, rumah A atau rumah B? Okay, find it. And then, tidy, rapi. House A or house B? Rubbish everywhere. Sampah di mana-mana. House A or house B? The sunlight can get inside the house. Cahaya dapat masuk rumah. House A or house B? And the last is having good circulation. Sirkulasi udara baik. House A or house B? Okay, look at the picture carefully. Okay, so everyone, now let's go to these questions. Do you think which house is healthy? House A or house B? Nah, menurut kalian mana sih rumah sehat itu? Rumah A atau rumah B? Coba. Okay, and then write your reason. Tuliskan alasan kalian. Why? Kenapa? Okay, because the house bla bla bla. Nah, rumah A misalkan ya, because the house A is bla bla bla, because the house B is bla bla bla. Nah, menurut kalian mana yang sehat? And then write the reasons, ya, kalian tuliskan alasannya kenapa. Okay, you got it? Good. Okay, so everyone, that's the end of our meeting, ya. Today we have learned about the rules, ya, how to keep the house clean, bagaimana cara menjaga kebersihan rumah kita. Okay, so if you have questions, you may ask your teacher. Ya, boleh bertanya kembali kepada gurunya. Okay, so everyone, I think that's all. See you next meeting. Stay happy, stay healthy, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.